This next one is called Mother Nature. And it's about my love of nature. Brighter days ahead, with not much time for regret. Oh mother, mother, won't you come and save us yet? All these cracks in the road, reminder of no control. They wanna break us down with simple words and no cures. Our government selling us lies, again and again, always twice. Oh mother, mother, won't you come and open up their eyes? Mother, 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 mother nature. There is no place to hide in the open air outside. Oh, some days I feel no guide. I'm just trying to survive. You come and open without the lies. Oh, mother, mother, won't you come and open up my eye? The world will breathe again. We will see again. We'll break the chain and mend. We'll take the rain. We'll take the reins, and they can't tear us down. We'll break the wall with sound. Oh, mother, mother, won't you help us break some new ground? Mother, 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 mother nature. Won't you come on, won't you come and save us? And we'll keep tripping and slipping and gripping onto the bed. Mother, mother, mother nature.
Six.